Both the US and Iran say they've agreed to a 2-week ceasefire. As I've been saying, just to reiterate that, US President Donald Trump said he is suspending his latest deadline for Iran to strike a deal or face US military escalation. The president wrote on Truth Social that after a conversation with the Pakistani Prime Minister, who proposed the deal subject to the Islamic Republic of Iran agreeing to the complete, immediate and safe opening of the Strait of Hormuz, I agree to suspend the bombing and attack of Iran for a period of 2 weeks. This will be a double-sided ceasefire. Iranian state media claims the US has agreed to their 10-point peace plan that includes complete and permanent end to the war, reopening the Strait of Hormuz, compensation and reconstruction payments to Iran, full commitment to lifting of sanctions on Iran. Iran fully commits to not seeking possession of any nuclear weapons was something that the US had demanded of Iran. This, as we've been saying, is a rapidly developing story, and we are still picking up more reactions, getting you the latest now from Pakistan's Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif, who's just put out a post on X. And this is what it says: with great humility, I'm pleased to announce that the Islamic Republic of Iran and the United States of America, along with their allies, have agreed to an immediate ceasefire everywhere, including Lebanon and elsewhere, effective immediately. I warmly welcome the sagacious gesture and extend deepest gratitude to the leadership of both countries and invite their delegations to Islamabad on Friday, 10th April 2026, to further negotiate for a conclusive agreement to settle all disputes. Both parties have displayed remarkable wisdom and understanding and have remained constructively engaged in furthering the cause of peace and stability. We earnestly hope that the Islamabad talks succeed in achieving sustainable peace and wish to share more good news in the coming days. That is from the Pakistani Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif. Remember, Pakistan has positioned itself as a crucial mediator in these conversations.